buying what you need versus buying what you want when you're getting started being independent. A lot of times we would get confused with thinking that we have to go by what we see on commercials, what we see on those who have came before us with all of this nice stuff on their rigs or these companies, and they say this is what it got to look like. And we tend to get ourselves in debt because we'll try to mimic that look. Oh man, we got to be like this, and not knowing that it took time to get to that level. So instead of jumping into it in the situation where you're over your head, think of the things that you know you need. Write down a list of the things that you know you need in order to complete whatever job task that you're working on, and focus on that. And then once you get that, see what can you get on the used level. What can you buy pre-owned that can help you get this now. A lot of things you have to buy new, like different consumables. But when it comes to equipment and getting the job done sufficiently, a lot of these things you can buy used. So do a little homework and just, write a little list down and figure out what you exactly need versus what you want. And yes, you might want this nice rig or this truck or whatnot, but let's see what we can do to get us started. Let's see what we can do to get us a bag first, where we don't have to go get a loan. We can just, not worry about our image at the moment and just invest in ways to make ourselves more flexible, to make passive income and be able to open up more doors to start different businesses. So instead of looking about the image and worrying about how you look, think of what you need to make the business prosper. So come up with you a little list. Think about it, man. Don't be in no rush, because a lot of times if you don't focus or take the time to really, really think about it, you'll make a wrong move. So if you got the chance now to sit down and think about what you want, put everything down. Think about it. Look at what other people got to offer. Think about what you're doing, what you know you need, and what you don't need. What you feel, oh man, this will be cool or this will be good. And, you know, put all those things together and then form up your strategy to um, hit the game and hit the game hard, because you can look like money